how to remove credit or debit card on Temu website. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and move into the site temu.com. You need to make sure that you are logged into a specific Temu account. Once you are in here, move into your profile at the top right. Head over to Settings. Inside Settings, move into your payment method. So right here for me it says add a credit or debit card. But if you have added your specific card, you will be able to see the details right here. You need to head over to your card details. The option of remove will be visible to you. All you want to do is tap on it, and the credit card or the debit card will be removed successfully, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can remove the debit or the credit card on Temu website. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.